Alright, so I'm going to mark the straight edge at the front of my welt, and then the slightly angled back, and then the pocket mouth itself. So the facing does come inside the pocket, so I'm going to take a hold of it and pull it through. So just folding it over on the edge of the welt, which is marked by both chalk line and the baste. I like a nice deep pocket, so I'm going to go about 5 inches on this. It's a pretty narrow pocket, so I'll just mark a line there, and that's where I want to machine it to. That's it on the inside. I'm doing my first row. There we go, that should do it. Now that's like that's all the construction stitches broke. Yep, I feel it stretching now. Put some water into it like that, and start pressing it with our iron. Really working that shape into the chest there, giving it a good pull and working around the iron. Just give it a press on the tail. There we go. And that completes the canvases. Thank you for watching.